Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone. This is Ricky's equipment from Tennessee, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. And we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done in the repair and conversion. We want to install a modular line port so that Ricky can bring in any length line cord, any color he chooses, bring it right into the back of the payphone and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now we also want to show you the F1 handset that's on this unit. This payphone is in very good condition for its age. We also want to install a bell and bell circuit in this unit. We're going to be rewiring this payphone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We want to go through the hook switch. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that this unit is wired properly, and we're going to rewire like we mentioned earlier. So we'll take care of those issues. We're also going to be going through the coin validator, and we want to go through our rotary dial. We want to make sure that the numbers are racking properly and that the rotary dial is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We have a cool informational sign on the unit. We also have a key right here at the vault area, and that's keyed to the front cover lock also. And the locks do not want to open very well, so there's issues with trying to open the locks. And since the key has been rekeyed to both locks, there is some issues with opening those locks. So we want to go into the locks, and we want to take care of any issues with the locks not wanting to open. They're very difficult to open, so we want to take care of any of the lock and key issues. We're going to do some still pictures of this payphone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool 3-slot automatic electric payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. We installed a modular port so that you can simply plug any length, any color line cord into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We went through the rotary. We also installed a dial center card, and that dial center card is to the period of the payphone. We also had to repair the hook switch hanger for the handset. It was installed improperly at some point, and that had to be repaired. We also replaced the handset cord, so that was taken care of. We went through the transmit, the receive. We also rewired this payphone the way we wanted it wired to work the way we want it to work. We installed a bell circuit. We went through the hook switch, the network, the wiring block. We made sure that all of our connections were tight and proper. We went through the coin validator. We also removed and repaired both of the locks, and you always want to push in at the bottom of the cover and take the pressure off the deadbolt of the lock because the front covers are spring loaded. So you always want to take the tension off by pressing in when you unlock and lock the payphone. Everything has been gone through with this payphone, and we're going to do some still pictures of some of that work. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any kind of a staticky hum or an electrical hum, that will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button real quick. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. Now what we can do is go ahead and put some change into this unit. A quarter will gong one time. A dime will ring the bell 2 times. A nickel will ring the bell once. We'll go ahead and do one more quarter. A dime. And one last nickel. Now that we know that our change is falling through coin validator and they're dropping into the vault area, we can go ahead and use the analyzer and we'll send a ring cycle. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Today is Friday, October 6th. The current time, 9:19 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Rick and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.